So at the last meetup, we said that we were close to launching SandForms, and now we have actually launched it. So there's not a ton to this one, but you can. It is in the App Store now. We can go and install it. I'm going to go back to SandForms, which I already have installed. So let's just actually walk through the flow. Yeah. So if I say create a new form, then it'll spin up a new form here, and let me start adding questions here. So let's say 1, 3. And once I put those in, we can see that it's already started off a table for us over here. The flow for sharing the form, we were talking about this inline thing. So right now we just pop up a thing saying like, hey, click that big share access button. But I think once you know that sharing access is the way you send the form, it's actually a really nice flow. It makes a lot of sense to me, at least. So we copy this link, email it to someone, or publish it however I want. And when this opened, because we're not signed in as the owner of the Sandstorm grain, we say, oh, you must be someone that wants to fill out a form. And it was a great fit. So now I can put like answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 here. And then we can do the little like obligatory show off media stuff that we get for free. So then as soon as we submit the response in here, then we'll get this result in the table. We've got a little like privacy pop up here, tell people about like what we did a little differently to Google Forms, and then give some links on that's a thing. Yeah. That didn't happen. But the biggest thing I would like to highlight is we have a feedback link here, which goes to yet another instance of SandForms. This one is owned by me, and you can give feedback on SandForms using SandForms. What we ask you don't do is try to give feedback on this. It will actually work now because I've re-uploaded it, but you could get stuck in a loop. So just watch out for that. But seriously, we would love suggestions on where to go next.
So we have 2 more minutes if people want to ask questions or provide answers.
Oh, I've got a question. Would it be beneficial to you if that share access button was something that you could trigger when the user clicks your share access button?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes?
And we actually we filed an issue in GitHub the other night, which may not be that well.
I might not have seen that one.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Like to see
Was that the one I replied to?
Yeah.
Because
Maybe.
somehow it didn't occur to me when I was replying that all you really want is for the button to cause the pop-up to appear.
Yeah,
It
that would
sounded
be
like
great.
you were asking to be able to create sharing links within.
So either way would work for us. If we could get a sharing link and give that to the user, that would work. I don't know if that would cause
Well, so
problems.
that is problems which I discussed in the
Gotcha.
thing. But yeah, just having a way for you to trigger the pop-up would be really easy.
Yeah, that would be fun.
As long as an app that isn't in the foreground can't, because that would be bad.
Well, the pop-up is bound to the current view.
Right, but you have to make sure that you implement the API correctly.
And then the other one we filed was actually about the app or the grain name that Maxime was talking about as well. Is it would be nice for us to make our own header match the one that's in the Sandstorm
Yeah,
shell.
that also turns out to be weirdly complicated, but
Okay.
we'll figure out something.
Yeah, that's fine. I think what we've done right now is just hide the title when you're responding. If that makes sense.